Hello everybody, welcome to the biggest bathroom in Iran. The Sultan Amir Ahmad bath takes its name from the nearby Imamzadeh, the grandson of Imam Jawad. This bath takes back to the Qajar and Seljuk period. In the old days, traditional baths were built below the ground level. To maintain internal height, the bathroom has two parts, a large and a small bathroom. To enter the bathroom, we pass through different spaces: counter, entrance deck, vestibule, and corridor. After that, we reach Sarbine, a large space that, in addition to washing, has also been a space to gather and talk. That's why it was made big. Most of the decorations of the bathrooms were done inside Sarbine. The air in this place is semi-warm, so that when people enter and leave, their body temperature is adjusted and their health is ensured. The next part is wash basin, where they use to wash clothes. With a 90-degree turn, we go to the interior of the bathroom, which has two separate areas for washing. In the two corners of this bath, there are two private hot houses for the nobles. In these spaces, instead of a treasury, they had a small basin and a tool called a handle, from which people took water and poured it on themselves. Unfortunately, some parts of this bath haven't been rebuilt after the earthquake. This is the part of treasury that was filled halfway with water for washing. In some bathrooms, there were three treasury: hot, cold, and semi-hot water, like the baths in the Queen Garden. In the following, we will see the different parts of the bathroom together. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification. The roof of the bath is the masterpiece of this building and one of the most beautiful dome roofs in Iran.